like I need an intro song, like a...
Here's a little story I'm about to tell. It's about one roofing company that you know so well.
Ready?
My name is Aimee Diaz, and I am DMR's minion.
And my name is Tony Diaz, and I am DMR's janitor.
It's gotta be mariachi music, dude. My name is Carlos Lopez. I'm the sales manager for Direct Metal Roofing.
Probably one of the biggest differences that we've aimed to be is honest and transparent.
I'm just somebody who likes to help other people, what it all comes down to. Like, I love to help other people, whether it's with the work that they're doing, especially if they're on my team and they work with me. Like, I love to be a team player.
We understand that the roofing community, people are skeptical towards roofers. And so that's what we've made a point with the consumer, to always be honest and transparent from the beginning to the end of the installation.
Another big difference is in our company, our roofers are our employees. And not only do they work for us, but they also, we do continual training with them.
We knew whenever it came to our home, we knew who we needed to call.
Right.
And that was gonna be Tony and Aimee Diaz for sure, Direct Metal.
Yeah.
So we knew they were gonna be honest with us and tell us if we needed it or if we didn't need it.
My name is Aly Hernandez. I'm a real estate agent. There's always homeowners, peers that are looking for a roofing referral. In my profession, when you do a referral, it's your reputation that is on the line. When I need to refer a roofing vendor, I always refer Direct Metal Roofing with my eyes closed.
Hooray, Direct Metal Roof is the best.
But just their generosity and their kindness, that's what I mean, I think about them first of all.
very much
That's
like
that's
that.
what I think about most of all about them, is they're generous, they're kind, they'll do anything.
Yeah.
They'll do anything for you.
We're married
I love you. Do you still love me?
sometimes.
Okay, good. I'll take it. Our personal story. We're not roofers. We don't know anything about the metal industry when we started. And so when we found Tri-County Metals and when we partnered with Tri-County Metals, it's not only a relationship of we need metal, let's sell it to them. It was a relationship where we built value because they taught us so much about the industry. And with their help, we've already become the #1 metal roofing installer in all of Brevard and Osceola County. So it's been invaluable, the relationship we've had with TCM for sure.
Kind of being behind the scenes a lot, I'm able to observe how all the different departments work really well with one another and how they all play a really key process to from start to finish. And the teamwork is really amazing.
I think the success of Direct Metal Roofing is by far the team that we have put together, the team that we have created. Everybody at Direct Metal Roofing loves the company and treats the company like if it was their own.
And you can see it's evolved a little bit over time. The big thing right now is if you're a homeowner, you know, I can't stress enough that you need to have a metal roof. You gotta have a metal roof just because we're in Florida and the way the rules and the way things go, the regulations with insurance. That hailstorm blew my mind, that hailstorm we had where it looked like it was snowing in Melbourne. Do you know we did not get one phone call for any metal roofing installed? Not one, right? So, you know, for homeowners, you really are getting what you pay for now, especially for a roof. So, and again, you have to find a company that can explain all of this to you.
That's why at Direct Metal Roofing, our tagline is,
Premium metal roofing.
without the premium price tag.
I'm Aimee Diaz.
And I'm Tony Diaz, and we are husband and wife team, owner-operators of Direct Metal Roofing.